Store-bought cookies are loaded with maida, refined flour, refined sugar, baking powder, soda, ammonia, and all the refined ingredients along with trans fats, saturated fat, and hydrogenated fats that are not at all good for your body. थोड़ा सा सोचो दोस्तों, थोड़ा सा सोचो और छोड़ दो सब, घर पे बनाओ healthy cookies that are eggless as well as loaded with nutrition. So let us get started with making a very delicious batch of coconut cookies without butter that use 4 tablespoons of ghee. Set aside in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes let us cream the ghee with half cup of coconut sugar. If you don't have coconut sugar, you may use any dry sweetener of choice, that is you may use jaggery powder or raw cane sugar or palm sugar, whatever you want. Once you have creamed the mix until it looks light, pale and fluffy, add 1 tablespoon of whey or milk or curd or even buttermilk. So cream it again and look at this. This is soft peaks. And remember, this stage is important for all cookies without baking powder and soda. So let us sift 1/4 cup of oat flour, and remember I sift all my dry ingredients for cookies without baking powder and soda, and of course without ammonia. We are making these at home, so why not make these healthier? 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour. We will be adding little more or 1/4 cup later as well, but as I always do, I prefer adding all dry ingredients in batches. That ensures that I never go wrong with my healthy crispy cookies without baking powder and soda. And now we are adding 1/4 cup of desiccated coconut. This was fresh coconut since I am in Orissa, and this is a land of coconut groves, so I find coconut everywhere. Now 1/4 cup extra of whole wheat flour, so this makes half cup in total of whole wheat flour. So I dried the fresh coconut in my air fryer. You can do that in your in the sun as well, or even in kadahi. I have done that as well. I always add flour in batches. Make sure the dough you get is soft. It should not be very hard. If it is hard, you will get harder cookies, remember. So we aim for a soft dough. Preheat air fryer to 160 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. And if you want to bake these coconut cookies eggless with jaggery in oven, OTG, convection, or even on stove top, please preheat them for 10 minutes. Now roll out into a thick chapati and then make cookie shapes using a cookie cutter or even a bangle. Coat with coconut. And now we are ready for the next step, that is baking our coconut cookies without butter in air fryer. But as I said, you can bake them जैसे भी चाहो. तो we will be baking these coconut cookies or oats coconut cookies at 160 degrees Celsius for 8 to 12 minutes. Yes, these cook really fast, but an air fryer bakes quickly. Mine were done in 8 minutes. The first batch took 10 minutes and the second one was ready in 8 minutes. But timing might vary in your air fryer and even in your oven OTG convection. You may need to bake them longer. Look how crispy these are. They are perfectly yum, and my husband has got addicted to this. I have shared the entire process or the basics for beginners in baking cookies, healthy cookies without baking powder and soda, without maida and refined sugar. So this is the feedback from some of my posts. And if you are yet to try out the cashew, the Good Day Like cashew cookies, please do. You will fall in love with those beauties. So if you are interested in learning how to bake without baking powder and soda, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me in Instagram at bhalla.rav. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please like, share and subscribe, and share these recipes with your friends so they can eat healthy too. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.